Hey guys, this is Taylor here, and today we are solving the first question of week biweekly contest 164. So let's get started. Let's quickly read the problem. So, given an integer n, find the digit that occurs least frequently, okay, in its decimal representation. If multiple digits have the same frequency, choose the smallest digit. Return the chosen digit as an integer. The frequency of digit x is the number of times it appears in the decimal representation of n. So let's see what is given to us. Here is my test case basically. In this test case, if I count the frequencies of each digit, okay, how many times one comes? So I think one came only one time. Next element is 5 which came two times, okay. After this, then 3, I think 3 came also two times, and 2 also came two times. Okay, so what is the least frequent among them? I think 1 is the least frequent, so I can say 1 is my answer because 1 coming only one time, whereas these three numbers are coming two times. Okay, in this case, 1 will be my answer. Now let's see one more test case. So 1, 1, and 2, 2, and 3, 3, let's say. Okay, so if I count, 1 comes for two times, 2 comes two times, 3 comes also two times. Okay, this is basically an edge case which is mentioned to us in case, okay, if multiple digits have the same frequency, then choose the smallest digit. So we need to choose, so we can see that all digits are having two frequency, and we don't have any digit which is having less than two frequency. This is the minimum possible frequency. So in this case, we have to return the minimum of these numbers. So in this case, 1 will be my answer. Okay. Answer equal to 1. Let's see one more test case. So let's say we have 1 1, then 2 2, then 3 3 3, and 4 4 4 4. So I can say or maybe we can do like this. Super. So 1 comes 3 times. Okay, this 3 times. The digits can be in any order. It can be like 1 2 1 2 1 2 6, something like that. Okay, it doesn't matter to us. So 1 comes 3 times. 2 comes, I think, 2 times. 3 comes 3 times, and 4 is 2 times. Super. So what is the minimum frequency? So 2 3 2 3. I think 2 is the minimum frequency. Okay, among these two numbers. So I will be working on these two pairs. Now among these two, which is the minimum? I think this 2 is it. So this 2 is minimum. 2 is less than 4. So I can return 2 as my answer. Okay. In case the minimum possible frequency is having more than key contains the minimum possible frequency, then in that case I will be choosing the smallest number among them. Okay, so I think the intuition and the approach is clear how I'll be doing that. So let's talk about the pseudo code of it. So pseudocode can be, we can either convert the number to string, then iterate over it and count the frequency. Otherwise, we can directly create a dictionary or a hash map, whatever you say, and we can use the modulo method to keep counting the frequency. So my initial number will be like giving, I will be, I think n is my initial number. Okay, now I will be doing something like this, while number greater than 0, what I can do, I think last digit I can extract like this, number modulo 10 and number divide by 10. So this will remove the last digit. What I am doing here, I am just extracting the last digit. So let's say my number is like this, 1 2 3. If I do a modulo 10, so I will get a 3. And if I get do 1 2 3 divide by 10, it should be single divide. If I do a divide by 10, so I will get 1 2 as my answer. Okay, I will just take an integer part of it. So in that case, I will be able to extract the last digit and remove the last digit. Extract the last digit, remove the last digit. Okay, that's what we are doing in these two steps. We are doing the same thing. Okay, So after doing all these things, um, I can check basically. So I can maintain a list, or maybe we can maintain downside also. What my approach will be. So if in case k, like I will keep tracking the minimum frequency, okay, and in case k minimum frequency I got two numbers, let's say this and this, so I will be appending both of them, 2 and 4, both of them I will maintain in a list, this 2 and 4, and in the last, while returning the answer, I will just return the last like minimum answer of this list. Okay, so let me tell you in code what exactly I will be doing. So uh, for key comma value in d dot items, this will be giving me key and value both. Okay, here I will maintain something like min key equal to none or null, and min value equal to also none, or maybe I can make it infinite. Okay, I can make it infinite initially. Super. Now what is the next thing I need to do? I need to check if my current value is less than minimum value, then I can definitely update the key and value both, right? So I will do something like this: min value equal to current value and minimum key equal to key. Super. So in this case, I have to maintain a list. Okay. So let's say this frequency is, let's say, 2. So I will be storing all the numbers with 2 frequency in the list. Okay. So I will start something like this. I will be maintaining key here. Okay. I will be maintaining something like this. Okay. And just in case if I get something like this, or let me write else if condition here. If else if uh, value equal to min value, so I will just simply L dot append the key. I will append that key. So in that way, I will be able to maintain the list with all the keys with the minimum possible frequency. And in the last of my answer, I can just simply return the minimum of my list or array, whatever you say. So I hope question is clear. It's easy question. If you still have any doubt, just let me know. Super. So what I can do? I think I can start. I can first of all, I will be making this default disk dict, or let's make a simple dictionary for easiness. While number greater than 0, what I'll be doing? Extract the last digit. So last digit will be number modulo 10. Then n equal to n divided by 10. This is basically floor division, so it will just take the integer part. Okay, I will just take the integer part after division. This is automatically taken care by this operator. Okay, what is the next thing I need to do? I need to just I can define an empty list. I can define a min key equal to, or I think we can name it okay, uh, min key is also fine, and min value equal to none. Now for key comma value in d dot items, what I will be doing? So if value is less than min value, what I will be doing? I think min value can be equal to value and min key equal to key. Okay, and I can initialize my list like this. Okay, I need to initialize like this, so that I can start the list with the minimum possible value. And in case if I get something like this, so I will be appending in my list the same value, the same key. Okay, so frequency is same, just the one more key is there. So in the last, I can just return the min of my list. So let's try to run this code and see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, min of L is an empty sequence. Okay, min value should be float infinite. I need to initialize as a infinite so that it can basically take up the minimum values. Okay, I forgot to. Okay, I did just two silly mistakes. First of all, they should be infinite so that we start with infinite so that we can easily update min values. And second thing is I need to update if last digit in dictionary. I need to update the dictionary values as well. I forgot to do that. Last digit plus equal to 1, else I can start initialize the last digit counter as 1. Okay, now let's try to run this. It should work fine. Okay, it is working fine. Let's try to submit this and see whether it is working fine on. Yeah, it is working fine. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and in case you like the video and explanation, please make sure you like the video, and you can subscribe the channel for more such insight, more such easy solutions. So thank you very much.